All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but the metering device is like the unsung hero that controls how the refrigerant flows by dropping its pressure right when it needs to. So, the metering device basically manages the flow of refrigerant from the high pressure side of the AC system to the low pressure side. It's super important because it makes sure the refrigerant changes from a liquid to a gas at the right moment, which is essential for absorbing heat and cooling your space. Without this pressure drop, your AC won't be able to cool efficiently, and it could even freeze up or overheat. There are different types of metering devices, like expansion valves and capillary tubes, but they all do the same job: regulate pressure and flow. If you ever notice your AC isn't cooling well, or it's acting weird, the metering device might be the culprit. Keeping this part clean and free of clogs helps everything run smooth. Also, don't just guess when replacing parts. Make sure you use the right one for your AC model to avoid bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metering devices is ignoring signs of low refrigerant flow, which can cause poor cooling or ice buildup on coils. Fix that by getting regular maintenance and checking refrigerant levels. Another common issue is using the wrong type or size of metering device during repairs, which messes with system balance. Always double-check your part numbers and specs before buying. Lastly, some folks skip cleaning or replacing clogged devices, leading to pressure problems and inefficient cooling, so keep an eye on your system filters and schedule professional tune-ups. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to AC repairs and installations. For contractors, it's a solid platform that helps them connect with more clients and grow their business without all the hassle.